Hello there. Today it's late night, and we've decided to go to the PC Bank. PC Bank, it is the club where a lot of people gather together and play computer games. So now let's show something inside. So the PC Bank, it is the place which is extremely popular among modern teenagers who have, like spare time after their school activities.
The advantages of such place is that not all the people can afford well-equipped computers, and the price for 1 hour is just $2 here. So instead of buying your own computer, you can just go here and wipe.
Here you can find convenient armchairs, and if you're there tired, you can do this.
For the people who say that playing computer games is just a waste of time, we have an interesting fact. Most of modern online games are just worldwide, and you may find a lot of friends from different countries all around the world.
Shooters is one of the most popular type of the games because it is easy to learn and fast to play.
Moreover, you can gather with your friends and enjoy games together.
So we have finished our gaming session and we're about to go out. And as gamers usually say, good game, well played. See ya in the next episode.